How to make money with Perplexity. Are you looking to turn your skills into cash right from your laptop? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Perplexity, a powerful tool that can supercharge your income. Stay tuned because these steps could change your financial game. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Perplexity and how you can use it to boost your earnings. In the realm of natural language processing and information theory, Perplexity is a key metric used to evaluate the performance of probabilistic models, especially language models. It quantifies how well a model predicts an sequence of words, effectively measuring the model's certainty of or confidence in its predictions. First things, what exactly is Perplexity? It's a fantastic tool for enhancing productivity and creativity. Today, we'll explore how you can leverage it to make money. So as you can see, this is the home page. All you have to do is open your web browser and dive into perplexity.ai. So here we have new trade. All I have to do is click over Control A sorry. There we have home, discover, library, sign in. So we click over sign in. All you have to do is continue with Google, Apple, or SAML SSO. You can also write your email here, as you can see, and you confirm your email, then you done your sign up. Here we have Try Pro, upgrade for image upload, smarter EA, and more pro searcher. Then we have a learn more download, as you can see, where knowledge begins. You can ask anything you want. Here we have, let's give an example. Past here, who is the best player in the world? So here we have various sources, 1, 2, 3, and view 2 more. As you can see, we have also answers, then current considers. So it's very helpful because it gives you more of options and more of sources, and you choose the one you want to confirm your answer. Here we have also pictures if you don't know the player. Also search videos, generate image, as you can see. So this is why it's one of the best websites. Here we have the feature of SEO, focus, attach. You can switch on to Start Pro, our most powerful search ideal for longer answers to complex questions. Here we have also other things like we have here Pro. Click over here. Here we have Perplexity Pro is the most powerful way to search the internet with unlimited pro searches, upgrade AI models, unlimited file upload, image generation, and EPA credits. As you can see here, we have the free one. We have limited quick sources, 5 pro sources per day, standard perplexity AI model optimized for speed and quality, create a profile to personalize your answers. Here we have professional, the one of you pay $20 for each month, as you can see. Then we have here enterprise, as you can see. Help your team get further, faster, boost your team's efficiency with the most powerful AI resources assistance. You can just get started. Then we have playground. So this is playground. You can just ask anything you want and get answers, and you chat with perplexity. Also you can here we have, you can get help, as you can see, served by perplexity labs. Hello, how can I help you? Then we have blog also, pro sources upgrade for more advanced problem solving. As you can see, research shapes our daily lives. We use it to make informed decisions and solve problems, to innovate, learn, and grow. As you can see, we have Perplexity collaborates with Amazon, bringing Perplexity to education and know. For profile, introducing Perplexity Base. Perplexity launches Enterprise Pro. Perplexity Pro is coming to all SK Telecom users. Perplexity partners with 11 labs to launch Discover Daily podcast, and various things as you can see. Here we have fake, as you can see, frequently asked questions. What is Perplexity? How does Perplexity work? What is Perplexity Pro? What is Pro Sources? What is Perplexity page? You can just click over here and get your answers. For example, what is Perplexity? Here we have answer. Perplexity is a free AI search engine designed to revolutionize the way you discover information. Ask any question and it search the Android to give you an accessible, conversational, and verifiable answer. Think of Perplexity as a resource partner, always on the clock, saving your valuable time by providing the precise knowledge you need. Then we have also encyclopedia, as you can see. Welcome to Perplexity Encyclopedia, introducing a new era of knowledge collocation and creation. There is always more to learn. Get started today. We have here a large niches, captions, ideogram, Vita EO, in video, hygiene, also, and a lot of things, as you can see. Then we have cars also, as you can see. Cars at Perplexity, we have here our mission, our values, current opponents. As you can see, you can read the one you want, turn more understand, and you click over the one you want also. And finally, we have language. You choose the one you want, English or something else. So let's give in some way to learn to earn money on Perplexity. First, we have food and services. One of the easiest ways to start earning with Perplexity is by offering freelance services. Here is how you can do it. Identify your niche. Are you good at mention specific task? Perplexity helps with E.J, data analysis, content writing, etc. Focus on what you do best. Then create a profile. Set up a professional profile on freelancing sites like Upwork or Fiverr. Make sure to highlight your skills and experience with Perplexity. Then showcase your work. Use Perplexity to create some sample projects. This will help potential clients see the value you can bring. The second one, we have creating and selling digital. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling digital products. Using Perplexity, here is how. Develop a product. Use Perplexity to create ebooks, templates, or online courses. Set up an online store also. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad are great for selling digital products. Then market your products, use social media and email marketing to reach your audience. We have also the third method like affiliate marketing, as you can see. Also, the fourth one, we have online courses and consulting by create an online courses or offer consulting services. So, and there you have it, four powerful ways to make money with Perplexity. Whether you choose freelance services, digital products, affiliate marketing, or online courses, there's plenty of opportunities out there. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.